Where are we, Brian?
Stuck in traffic.
Where at?
On San Francisco. We just crossed over the Oakland Bridge. I don't know why I said it like that.
Bay Bridge?
Yeah.
We're getting ready to go into...
Is it set to both?
Yes.
Okay.
We're in a tunnel. See?
I'll never complain about Florida traffic ever again.
What?
I'll never complain about Florida traffic ever again. This is crazy. We've been on the same road for 24 minutes. No, longer than that, because we got to the bridge. The toll. Yeah.
It's $7 a car. But because we got there 7 o'clock, I don't think you have to pay, but I'm not sure.
Yeah. When we were on a bridge in Louisiana, it was crazy. Oh, you can see Alcatraz better right there.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. See it?
But most importantly, hello, hi, and...
Welcome! We're trying to do a lot of things at one time.
Yeah. We are on our way to a very special event that's only offered in 3 locations: Atlanta, London, and San Francisco. We are out in California for work and for play.
For how long?
Forever, it seems like.
It over there?
Yeah.
So we are... I know I keep moving the camera around, but it's difficult. I want you guys to see. We're trying to get over there, and then you guys can see Alcatraz right there.
We are on our way to go see the Full House. Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes sense. I don't care.
Well, the outside part of it.
And then we are going to the Stranger Things experience that is offered here in this wonderful place called San Francisco, California.
I like how you talk when I'm over here and I have to get to you somehow over here.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. Let us know if you guys came to one of these events. Like I said, it's only offered in London, Atlanta, and San Francisco at the current moment. But we are super stoked. Amber got her Stranger Things shirt. I don't have one.
I hope they have merch, because I want to get something.
They do say they have exclusive merchandise, but who knows what that means? I mean, it can mean a million different things.
I just want to show you guys as much because the sun's going down pretty quick over here.
Yeah.
And so, like, I keep turning the camera, but I want to show you guys as much as we can. Look at that view, though.
Holy crap.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Is it on both? Yeah. How'd you like it? That's freaking amazing.
We had the power.
We were red. It's either red, yellow, or blue. But like, you guys, this is bad booty. As Michael says, it's bad booty.
This is cool. We're at Scoops Ahoy, about to get some ice cream.
We're getting the USS Butterscotch. Yeah. butterscotch with what kind of ice cream?
So we got vanilla, we got chocolate, and we got mint.
And there's a banana in there.
There's a banana, and there's a waffle, there's cherries, there's a whole bunch of crap.
For $13.
Yeah. Bon appetit. Over here by the drink area, they have some of the props that they used in season 1, 2, and 3. Season 1, episode 7. Erica's flashlight. That's cool. And over here, they had the mind flare. And down here is Dustin's headset in season 2. That's really neat.
So Brian's in line to get a drink. We're gonna get a non-alcoholic beverage.
So we got the Star Quart. It's orange soda, or it's sparkling orange juice, grenadine, orange slice, and maraschino cherries. Amber, no. Don't. Yeah, we can keep the cup. $10. Got you on camera. So they have this like wall where you can actually look like you're getting attacked. You're like, ah! So you can be like, ah! Just kidding, I don't know. Now this is really cool. It looks like you're in a movie, like an old Blockbuster or Family Mart where they have the movies and stuff. That's really cool. And they have like casting. It looks like everybody. What's even cooler is that they have the Hellfire Club. They even have Eddie. Well, it looks like him anyway. That shirt's really cool. Back in that shirt.
We're in the Arcade Palace.
So there's something going on here. Like everyone's like lifting up stuff, doing stuff. It actually, the phone works.
Is there something there?
Let's see. Oh, it's a game. That's neat. Oh my God! Look, they have a look. The
answer your trivia. Play the video.
Oh, we gotta go
carefully.
I'll give you a hint. It was the name of a wizard in the film.
Gandalf?
Good thinking, but not quite.
Dang it. Merlin.
Good thinking, but not quite.
What the heck?
Awesome job.
Well, you gotta go until you lose.
So you have to find all of them. How long were we there for? Almost 2 hours?
Yeah. And first off, burr. It is like...
It got chilly. We're not used to this. We're wearing shorts and sandals.
We're the only, like, one other guy was wearing shorts, and we were the only two.
Yeah, if you get the chance to do this, and hopefully this video goes up before it's done, but it's so freaking amazing. Yeah. Like, it's such a experience, and we were red.
We were. So we had the power of...
We were like this. Like Eldas.
Yeah. It was really cool. It was really...
Interactive.
Very interactive. Like, I didn't expect... At first, I thought it was going to be lame. The way they were kind of doing it, like, oh, it's funny, ha, 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 ha. But then, like, you walk into... I'm not going to give you everything, but, like, when you walk into the... You get escorted in, like, hey, you're there for a sleep study. And then you get moved into, like, this testing area, the rainbow room. And you're, like, you're given a test, and you have no idea how to do the test.
You're like, what am I... She gives you 30 seconds to, like, item.
What are you doing?
We have no idea.
And then you get to test your powers. You learn about your powers that you have, because we have 3 different groups.
Of course, you interact with the cast, the kid cast. But we won't tell where we'll stop.
Yeah, well, there's a 3D portion of it that is so badass.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Like, Elle's throwing demi-dogs at you, and you're ducking, and you're bobbing and weaving, and all that. Come to this. It's over October 2nd, so this may have already passed by the time we put it up. Mid-thought.
Demi-dogs come at you.
Yeah. So Elle throws demi-dogs at... Sorry, the battery died. Demi-dogs at you.
And there's demogorgons.
Yeah.
It's so cool. The thought, the detail. Like, even if you aren't a huge Stranger Things fan, you would still like it.
Yeah. I feel the $70 at each person that we spent.
It could have been like $50 each.
Yeah.
That would have been perfect. But I get you need to go a little bit higher. The shirts that I did like, they were $30 each.
Yeah.
A little expensive because across the street, if you park, it's $60 parking.
Yeah.
And we didn't realize until after we paid $60 parking.
They don't even tell you the price. They do have something that says monthly parking for $60.
No, it said VIP. It said like special ticketed or special event. It said special event. So I'm assuming that's what the special event is.
You're probably right. Because like you can't find parking to save your life in the vicinity.
But it's also the weekend.
Yeah. So this is a Friday. More than likely, by the time we post this, this event here in San Francisco is over. I don't know about the one in London. I don't know about the one in Atlanta. I don't even know if they're moving to a different location.
I don't know.
But
it's kind of like the house, like at HHN.
Yeah.
In 29 or
except for when you go
30.
into the upside down, it's so cool.
Is it 29 or 30?
30. 29. It's
yeah,
29.
29. So the HHN upside down is a lot better than the one here, but everybody's already on edge, so we don't know if people are going to jump at you or what. So everybody's just like...
It is. But, you know, what I will say, though, going in through the little maze to get into the upside down here...
Why are you giving them all this information?
I know, I'm sorry.
You're spoiling it.
I am, but I think that's better than HHN.
No.
But if you guys made this far, thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully... It
may be a short video. We're trying to show you as much as we can. You can only record and take pictures in each.
Yeah.
In certain areas,
yeah,
sorry.
In the entire event, you can't do any of it. But our camera's telling us that we need to hurry up. So
well, you just wasted time by saying that.
I know. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Let us know if you guys made it to any of these events.
Please.
Yes. Don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to hit that bell notification.
Love seeing those comments. Definitely leave those for your fan bam.
Yeah, for sure.
Or even us. We're very active on TikTok and Instagram.
Yeah. But guys, thank you so much. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.